friends, how are you all? Welcome back. Today we're going to be making a craft using a cardboard roll. What is that craft? That craft is a projector. A projector is an object that can create an image on the wall. To make a projector, you will need rubber bands, foam stickers, a cardboard roll, and a plastic wrap, and a phone light or a flashlight. Now I'm going to show you how this works. For that you're going to need a blank wall, a dark room, and a light source. Here I'm in my room closet and the light is off. I'm going to show you how I use light as a projector to make the shadow on the wall. So first I hold the projector above the flashlight, and then above on the wall there's the shadow. It's great, right? So creative. You can decorate your projector any way you like, just like I did. But today I'm going to be using a plain cardboard roll. So first I'm going to take some plastic wrap and cover my cardboard roll with it like this. And then I'm going to take a rubber band and put it on. You may need to do it twice. I put on the plastic wrap on all of my 4 cardboard rolls. Make sure that you put the rubber band on tightly and make sure that there are no wrinkles on the top. Now it's time to put on some foam stickers. We're done with our projectors. Here's the grab. Away